on our way. Oh, look at that. Hey, it's me. We're on our way to Lava Lava Beach Club for lunch. Gonna get some good food, and we've been in Hawaii for, this is our third day? Second day. Second day. This is our second day. We haven't had any fresh fish yet, so we'll go to Lava Lava Beach Club and see if they have some yummy fish.
Yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy from the Lava Lava. We're headed that way. Nice. See you when we get there. And you can turn it on us. Or, yeah. Turn it on us so you can see us talking. Or not. Well, we're headed to
Walmart?
Yeah.
Target?
Yeah,
Something
because
like
there's
that.
crap that we haven't bought yet.
Yes, we need more crap, apparently.
Well, we have a list though of things, more things to take on our cruise.
Yeah.
Yep. So we had great lunch at the Lava Lava Beach Club.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Yeah. I had the Kailua pork sandwich. That was yummy.
I had fish tacos, and they were really good. They grilled mahi-mahi for me and put everything on the side, so my little heart thing with the sodium wasn't an issue. It was nice. It was a nice lunch. And then we started to drive home, and on the way back, it started to sprinkle, which is like pretty, pretty substantial for here, I think. But yeah, we'll go do some shopping and buy the rest of the junk we didn't buy already.
Yep. Yeah, downtown Ali'i.
It's pretty busy.
Yeah. There's more crap we need to buy.
Yeah, I don't know.
Well, we gotta go to I need a new hat.
Yeah. You need to get you a new douchebag hat. And we just got done at Target and it started pouring rain, and luckily it stopped, so that was nice. But I got a straw hat and some bathing suits, and between Walmart and Target. And so that stuff's all set, which is good. Only a couple things left to get and we'll be ready for Tahiti.